What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It's been a very interesting past couple of days since I went to the track the last time. If you guys remember from my last YouTube video, I tried to go to the track with a spotter and a crew and everything, tried to do everything the right way, was super ready to drive, really excited, and my whole day basically got flushed down the toilet. I warmed my car up, everything was fine, went to go initiate to do my first lap, and the car cut out. Never got a lap in the car, unfortunately. So we ended up packing up pretty early after we decided that this was a wiring issue that we weren't going to be able to figure out trackside. So we packed up, pushed the car up on the trailer, pushed it back into the backyard, and it's been sitting ever since. So what we've decided to do is to rewire the car, rewire the entire chassis harness essentially, because my wires are all over the place. They always have been since I got this car because somebody decided to mess with the sound system and my wiring basically looks like a dog got to it. So what I'm going to do today is I am going to pull the wiring harness out of the car. I'm probably going to work on the inside of the car for the most part, maybe like behind the dash and you know the chassis harness that just runs through the inside of the car. I don't really know what I need to do exactly in the engine bay, so I'm kind of going to hold off on that until I have some eyes for supervision to make sure that I don't unplug anything that's not supposed to be unplugged. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do today. I'm not excited for you guys to see the kind of wiring that has been in my car while I've been driving it without a fire extinguisher, but the truth is out. Can't hide anything any longer. So I'm just going to jump straight into it today. I'm dreading this. I'm really dreading this, but I already have all of my wiring stuff to rewire the car on the way here. I'm probably going to do a switch pros panel, order all my wires, all the heat shield for the wires, heat shrink, everything that I need. So all I have to do is get to work. So I'm going to get to work right now. I will see you guys in a second. I'll show you what my wiring looks like. Be prepared to cringe. Alright guys, here is the car. This is exactly where it's been sitting since we pushed it off the trailer. Essentially what we ended up doing was backing the truck up with the trailer back into the backyard and literally pushed the car right into the spot because that was the only spot that we were going to be able to fit it in. So the car has been sitting like this for a while. Actually, the windows are still open on the car because I couldn't roll them up. I literally don't understand wiring. It scares me a whole lot. So yeah, my windows are still open on the car, so I'm definitely going to try to roll those up somehow, some way, some shape, some form. Yeah, I'm just gonna get straight to it. I can't keep wasting time on this thing. So anyway, this is the new spot for the car. I know you guys aren't used to seeing it here, but now we're even closer to the pool. I do have a good friend with me today. This is Sarah Haro. She's gonna help me disconnect all of my wiring. We've kind of come up with a game plan of what we're gonna do and how we're gonna tackle this whole car. I think we're gonna start at the back since it's gonna be a little bit more simplistic and all we have to do is disconnect some stuff and probably work our way up to the dash. Hyperventilating. It's okay. It's fine. We're gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Oh god. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Anyway, if you guys don't know Sarah already, she worked on Hyperdrive Netflix. She drives a Mustang. What year is your Mustang? 2014. 2014.
That's the basic white V6.
Oh my god, that's an expensive Mustang to be drifting. Anyway, yeah, she drifts a Mustang. She's really cool. She's a really good friend of mine. You guys should totally check out her Instagram. I'm trying to convince her to make a YouTube channel. So.
I have a YouTube channel,
Oh, you have a YouTube channel.
I suck at posting, so I really gotta work on that. But it's Sarah Haro Drifts, SARAHARO, and then Drift.
Sick.
Same with my Instagram.
So subscribe even though you don't post anything.
Yes, I will start posting. I swear, I'll try.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, she's decided to help me work on my car today, so we're gonna get started. Unfortunately, there's no driving in this video, and it's probably gonna be pretty boring, but enjoy it. I got the chassis harness that was attached to the driver's side all taken care of. I got most of the fuel system disconnected. I labeled everything just to make it easy for myself in case if I ever had to figure out what goes where. I also disconnected the whole chassis harness that goes through the trunk back here. It's kind of just hanging out right now. There's a few wires that go in here that I don't really want to mess with just yet, so I am going to leave these here for now. While I've been working on the back of the car, my dad decided to jump in and help. So my dad and Sarah have been at the front of the car trying to take the dash out, so I'm going to go up there and help them really quick. Do not like roll cage right now. 10 out of 10 would not recommend. There we go, we're making progress now. How's the dash coming along?
It's gone.
Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Okay, sweet. We can see all that wiring now.
Everything.
Oh my gosh. This is like literally a headache. Just looking at it. I don't even want to look at it. Oh god. I still have to take this dash off right here though. Ugh. Sarah and I have made all this progress over here. How about you? How you doing over there, Father?
I'm ghetto rigging the window so I can get it up. Here we go.
Hey. Wow, it's slow.
Battery might be almost dead because remember you said he killed it?
Yeah, we killed it.
So there you go. Ghetto rig. See that? A little bit of this. Jumper cables from the motor, from the battery. Some test light action here and some, yeah, there you go.
Sick, at least my windows are rolled up now.
Yeah. This is the main problem when you buy a car and you don't know the history of the car.
Yeah, what is it?
So here's an issue you have right here, and that is someone has tapped into your wiring harness with an old alarm that you never knew about.
What?
So this being part of your issue could be this damn alarm being tied into your wiring harness. This could be your whole problem.
Oh my god, I was trying to figure out what that box was just now.
This is a Viper alarm. See it? Protected by Viper. So somebody else has wired this into the car, but since when you got the car, it never had the alarm in it.
Correct.
So you didn't know there's an alarm tied into your wiring harness.
Exactly.
So the deal is that however he's wired this into your wiring harness, this could be a reason why your car cranks but doesn't start. This could be a reason why you don't have ignition to certain things, and depending on how he has wired this into your stock wiring harness, meaning how he cut the line.
Whoa, yeah, he literally intertwined it right into the stock harness.
Yeah, they all get tied in one way or another, but it's whether they shut it off by fuel injection or if they turn off the main power to the ignition. That could be over there to that box. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You could be tied into your ECU. So the simple fact that somebody tied an old alarm system in here that nobody else knew about, this could very well be the absolute entire problem sitting right here in front of us. So here's the biggest problem with this right here, and that is that they did a partial disconnect of this alarm system. So it's still tied into your wiring harness down here. This white wire here and this other one here, someone just tapped in, so this is obviously connected, but here's your biggest issue right here. Here's your ignition, right? Start your car up, and what they've actually done is they've cut into your ignition here. You see that? They cut into your ignition, and then now there's a bunch of wires intercepting your ignition from being the stock wiring that it would have been. Here's another big cluster right there, and you see these have all been cut and reconnected down here. So, but this is a main wire right here. You see this?
Yeah.
This is one of your main wires for your wiring harness to start your car up. And it's probably been tapped into. There's the other half. You see it?
Wow.
See the red and white wire here?
Yeah.
So now this is still running through your old alarm system, that box. Red and white wire has been interrupted by the green wire, and the other half of the red and white wire is right there. So this could be your entire problem right here.
I'm honestly so mad because when I bought my Z, I was trying so hard to find the most stock 350Z possible. Okay, you guys, I am going to wrap up this video here. We got a lot done today. Sarah was definitely a trooper today. She basically pulled the entire passenger side dash out of the car while I did everything else. We figured out my issue all this time. It was probably the alarm system that my dad found, and I've been chasing this issue for a much longer time than I guess I've realized, but it's good. I mean, I guess it's good that the whole car is going to be rewired anyway, because this whole stock harness is a complete mess anyways. As you guys can see, it's just everything is tapped into something else, and it's just a complete mess. Yeah, literally everything is so, oh my god, it's so cringy. It's literally so cringy. So I'm glad that the car is getting rewired, but it's really sad that it costed me several track days already at this point, and that it is going to take this much work just to fix something that could have been simple if somebody would have told me that that's what was going on, and I could have known that from the beginning with this car. But you know what? It's fine. This car needs to be simplified anyways. In the next video, you guys will be seeing kind of the game plan, I guess, to rewire this car. I'm tired.
We hangry.
Yeah, we hangry. It's time for coffee. It's time for food. I'm down for pizza. You want some pizza?
I mean, food's my favorite dish.
That's
so.
I like that. I like the food's my favorite dish. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna close out here. Make sure you check out Sarah's links. I'm gonna link them below in the description. If you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram if that's something that you want to do. I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I don't cry while I'm learning how to rewire a car. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.